Good morning, students. Today in science, we will be doing lesson number 6, the sun, moon and stars. In this lesson, we will be learning about the sun and the solar system, constellation and different phases of moon. The sun is the brightest object in the sky and is a huge ball of very hot gases. It gives heat and light. There would be no life on the earth without heat and light. The sun is the closest star to the earth. The sun's family. A planet is a huge object that goes around a star. They do not have their own light. The sun and its 8 planets belong to the solar system. The earth is one of these planets. On a clear night, you can see thousands of stars twinkling in the sky. All stars are huge balls of hot gases. Groups of stars forming an imaginary shape or pattern in the sky are called constellations. Constellations have been named after animals or people from ancient myths. The Great Bear, Orion the Hunter, and Hercules are examples of constellations. The moon is a ball of rock that revolves around the earth. It is our nearest neighbor in space. It has no light of its own and is lit up by the light from the sun. We can only see the portion of the moon that receives sunlight. This is why the moon appears to change its shape every day. When the moon is between the sun and the earth, the side of the moon facing us does not get sunlight. So we cannot see the moon because its dark side faces us. This is the new moon. After a day or two, we see a small portion of the moon. This is called the crescent moon. After 7 days, we can see half the moon. This is the half moon. 2 or 3 days later, we can see more than half the moon. This is called the gibbous moon. 2 weeks after the new moon, the moon is on the opposite side. The side facing us gets sunlight. We can now see the full moon. The different shapes of the moon as seen from the earth are called the phases of the moon. So, the number of days between one new moon and the next is 28 days. That's all.